Hi, I'm Jacob Gadikian, a developer advocate at V-Systems. Prior to joining V-Systems, I've worked as an entrepreneur, developer, and investor on various cryptocurrency projects and went full-time crypto in 2016. Today, it's my great pleasure to tell you about V-Systems, a new approach to distributed applications. V-Systems was dreamt up by our chief architect, Sunny King, as the ultimate application platform. Once you give it a deep look, it becomes apparent that VSys has taken great care to implement every feature in the simplest way possible. In any complex system, including blockchain software, reducing the system to the bare minimum will enable reliability and performance. The V-Systems codebase is less than 1/20th the size of Bitcoin's, and it was built using ScoreX, a simple and modular Scala blockchain framework. Our design philosophy influences every aspect of the V-Systems platform. For example, payments from supernodes to stakers aren't fixed. Payment terms for stakers are determined and promoted solely by the supernodes, who fully own the economic incentive design for stakers. The question for supernodes is, if you were getting 36 VSys per minute, how would you reward your supporters? It's fair to say that we take a minimalistic, even Spartan approach to software development. Using this simple design approach, we're going to be able to enable the rapid creation of application-specific sidechains for arbitrary application state sometime next year, with very little blockchain programming experience needed on the part of developers. The V-Systems blockchain platform lowers barriers to entry for developers and entrepreneurs by providing a clear, simple REST API, providing flawless smart contract templates. Supernode Proof of Stake introduces a better staking model for enforcing blockchain security, one where every individual retains control of their stake and role. Stakers are able to stop staking at any time of their choosing without a waiting period. Supernodes design incentives that are designed to support their unique communities. Our platform is highly resistant to attack, even by large stakeholders. The requirement to contend nodes ensures that changes to the supernode set are predictable. The minting average balance protects the network against floods of new stake that could enable rapid contends by hostile supernodes. So basically what you can see here, we have a very easy to use platform, and it's also quite secure because the validator set is quite stable. Our architect, Sunny King, is passionate about economic design and has shared with me the view that economic design is in fact more important than a blockchain's consensus model like proof of work or proof of stake. Supernode Proof of Stake is a blockchain consensus mechanism designed by Sunny King, the creator of proof of stake. Supernode Proof of Stake is an efficient distributed consensus algorithm with high resistance to 51% attacks. Supernode Proof of Stake is performance-oriented with high scalability and transaction throughput. Supernode Proof of Stake creates a stable minting economy and allows users to self-govern. There is no barrier to participate in minting through coin leasing. And in this diagram here, what you can see is users leasing their stake out to various supernodes, earning rewards from those supernodes. You can see supernodes receiving a variable fee that they themselves control. And you can also see that it's the users themselves powering that right to mint and the chain creating new coins. Concerning smart contracts, we have also chosen to take a minimalist approach. Smart contract execution always costs 0.3 VSys, and you'll find that our contracts entirely lack logic. Instead, our smart contracts are designed to be chained to one another. VSys smart contracts are always the same and require zero blockchain development work. Like no-code software systems, Our smart contracts are built with entrepreneurs in mind. vSys users can rapidly prototype blockchain applications without writing a single line of code or doing an expensive security audit. We are taking that design philosophy and applying it to all aspects of the platform. Instead of giving users the ability to do nearly anything with vSys by implementing Turing completeness, we cover 95% of the most common blockchain applications extremely well, and other users don't need to write code for those. Our contracts compose easily due to their simplicity as well. What you can see is that our platform offers 4-second finality. Making a new token on your phone is very simple, and also that our contract design ensures that contracts are secure without expensive security audits. Staking 2.0 is a token distribution mechanism for vSys ecosystem projects that allows ecosystem projects to reward a portion of their token supply to Supernode stakers. It promotes community growth, allows stakers to participate in the development of vSystems-powered projects, and facilitates overall ecosystem development around the vSystems blockchain. And I'd like to kind of tell you about a real-world use case of Staking 2.0. Tachyon, one of our ecosystem projects that produces a decentralized internet protocol, node network, and VPN, is distributing 100 million of their tokens, 100 million out of 1 billion of their tokens to vSys stakers over a period of 2 years. This creates a clear connection between the success and security of the vSystems blockchain and the success of our ecosystem projects. With Staking 2.0, we have automated and formalized the connection between staking vSys and the expansion of our ecosystem. vSys ecosystem projects all have the option of distributing some of their tokens to people who have earned them by staking vSys. Staking 2.0 is not an airdrop. People do not value things that are free, and that's my thinking on why most airdrops have failed. Giving the token away sets the price at zero from the very start. Staking 2.0 ensures that everyone who is putting aside the time and energy to secure our network by staking on vSys supernodes earns. Tachyon is one of our ecosystem projects. It's our first flagship project, and it is a decentralized VPN. Tachyon launched its VPN at March 2020 and has reached 350,000 users. vSystems works very closely with the Tachyon team to develop smart contract features suited to their desired functionality and drive popularity of the IPX token. In Tachyon, you can see our close partnership model playing out. Our portal payment channels were actually designed around Tachyon's need for machine speed payments, and this resulted in a unique feature for the vSystems platform, as well as an elegant solution to real-time VPN payments. Portal allows for payments as frequently as 1 every 10 milliseconds, or even faster provided that the network connection between the sender and the receiver is fast enough. Portal does not need a secondary peer-to-peer network like Lightning and most other payment channel solutions. A REST API is enough. We will repeat the collaborative approach we used with Portal with other ecosystem projects. Portal's origin story is the Tachyon team wrote some Solidity, which is still on the GitHub today, and realized that it wouldn't be fast enough for their needs. Tachyon consulted with vSystems, and together we designed an appropriate solution that is simultaneously an excellent use of smart contracts and an industry first in terms of speed and simplicity for payment channels. If there is a blockchain feature that you need for your project, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We listen. Now onto our coin. vSys coin is the native currency for the vSystems blockchain platform, and it is used to pay vSys transaction fees, access applications built on vSystems, do platform governance via SPoS minting. In November 2018, 5,124,858,000 Visas coins were generated on our Genesis block. 283,824,000 Visas are produced annually by the supernodes. Visas currently has an annual inflation rate of about 5%. Inflation declines with time because the rate at which new Visas is produced is always 823,824,000 Visas per year. All transaction fees on the vSystems blockchain are burned. Send transactions cost 0.1 Visas, and smart contract executions cost 0.3 Visas. I'd like to tell you a little about some contracts that we have coming up in our Fermat release. It introduces 3 new smart contracts that all follow our minimal smart contract design. The lock contract enables users to lock up a token or Visas until a certain clock time or block height is reached. This allows for projects to more easily implement staking features with their tokens. Non-fungible tokens are minimal, simple NFTs designed for real-world applications and easy software development. You can't divide them, and each one is unique. They can be tied to real-world items easily. Portal payment channels are completely unique. They enable machine speed payments with the only trust assumption being that the recipient's wallet is able to monitor the state of a smart contract on the blockchain. Portal is a unique system created through our collaboration with the Tachyon team, who wanted to have users pay for VPN services in real time. We anticipate that Portal will be used for machine speed compute payments and for gaming. At vSystems, we have a thriving ecosystem. We are developing partnerships and joint development opportunities to develop our blockchain ecosystem. We're looking at listing on more centralized and decentralized exchanges, including Uniswap and the Binance DEX. We collaborate with proof-of-stake communities. We have an active outreach to wallet and staking providers, and we're also seeking partnerships with tech and finance companies to develop out our business ecosystem. Lastly, I'd just like to let you know where you can find us. You can follow us on Twitter at VSysCoin, on Medium at vSystems, and on Telegram at VSysOfficialGroup. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.